Welcome, future entrepreneurs and online business enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone looking to take their business digital in 2024. We'll be discussing an intriguing question. Do you need an LLC to start an online business in the USA this year? Understanding the legal aspects of starting an online business is a crucial step, often overlooked in the excitement of launching a new venture. But don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. We'll explore the concept of an LLC, its importance, and how it may or may not be the right choice for your online business. The world of online business is vast and full of opportunities, so whether you're planning to sell handmade crafts, offer consulting services, or launch the next big tech startup, knowing your legal requirements is key. Stay with us as we navigate through the process of starting an online business and forming an LLC. Before we dive into whether you need an LLC, let's understand what an LLC is. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a business structure that combines the flexibility of a partnership or sole proprietorship with the asset protection of a corporation. Now, you might be wondering, what does that all mean? Well, let's break it down. The limited liability part of an LLC means that as an owner, your personal assets are protected. In case your business runs into debt or legal issues, your personal assets like your home, car, or personal bank accounts are typically off limits to creditors. It's a safety net that gives entrepreneurs peace of mind. Now let's talk about the company part. An LLC is flexible and can be owned by one person, a group of people, or even other businesses. This flexibility extends to management too. Unlike corporations, which require a board of directors and other managerial layers, an LLC can be managed directly by its owners or members, as they are called. This simplicity makes it a popular choice for small businesses, but an LLC isn't just about protection and flexibility. It also offers tax benefits. While corporations can face double taxation on company profits and then on dividends, an LLC avoids this. Profits and losses pass directly to the members who report them on their personal tax returns. It's a straightforward way to handle business finances. However, it's important to note that while an LLC provides limited liability protection, it doesn't make you invincible. It won't protect you from your personal wrongdoings like fraud or personal negligence. But it does shield you from the actions of your co-members and any debts the business incurs. Now that we understand what an LLC is, let's see if you need one. So, do you need an LLC to start an online business in the USA in 2024? This is a question that many budding entrepreneurs grapple with. While it's not a mandatory requirement to form an LLC to start an online business, it comes with a number of advantages that can make it a very appealing option. Firstly, let's talk about personal liability protection. One of the primary advantages of forming an LLC is that it separates your personal assets from your business assets. This means that if your business were to run into any financial or legal trouble, your personal assets, such as your home or personal savings, would be shielded from any potential lawsuits or debts. Next, tax benefits. An LLC can offer a more flexible tax structure compared to other business entities. For instance, an LLC is not taxed as a separate business entity. Instead, all profits and losses are passed through the business to each member of the LLC. These members report this information on their personal tax returns, which can lead to significant tax savings. Lastly, an LLC can lend increased credibility to your business. When customers, suppliers, or partners see that you're operating as an LLC, they may perceive your business as more professional and legitimate. This can be particularly important for an online business, where building trust with consumers can often be more challenging compared to a brick-and-mortar establishment. However, it's important to remember that forming an LLC also comes with responsibilities. These may include annual filing fees and additional paperwork. Also, the benefits can vary from state to state, so it's crucial that you research the specific laws and regulations in your area. In essence, while you don't necessarily need an LLC to kickstart your online business venture, it can offer valuable benefits like personal liability protection, potential tax advantages, and increased business credibility. It's all about weighing these benefits against the costs and responsibilities that come with forming an LLC. While an LLC isn't a must-have, it definitely has its advantages. If you've decided an LLC is the right fit for your business, here's how you can form one. First things first, you've got to pick a unique name for your LLC. This might seem like a simple task, but it's crucial to ensure that your chosen name isn't already in use by another company in your state. You can usually do this by conducting a name search on your state's Secretary of State website. Remember, the name of your LLC must end with Limited Liability Company, LLC, or an equivalent abbreviation. Once you've nailed down that perfect name, it's time to file the Articles of Organization. This is a vital document that officially creates your LLC. It typically includes information such as the name of your LLC, its purpose, and details about its members and how it will be managed. The specifics can vary from state to state, but generally, you will file this document with the Secretary of State and pay a filing fee, which can range from around $50 to a few hundred, depending on your location. Next up, you'll need to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. This is a person or business entity authorized to receive legal papers on behalf of your LLC. Your registered agent must have a physical street address in the state where your LLC is registered. Some states also require the registered agent to be available during normal business hours. Now, this next step is not required in all states, but it is highly recommended: creating an operating agreement. This document lays out the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. It's a crucial tool for helping you guard your limited liability status, prevent financial and managerial misunderstandings, and ensure your business is governed by your own rules, not default rules created by your state. You're almost there. The next step is to obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is essentially a social security number for your business and is needed for tax purposes. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website, and it's completely free of charge. Lastly, depending on your business, you may need to acquire necessary business licenses and permits. The requirements for these can vary widely, depending on your state and the industry you're in. You can generally find this information on your state's official website or by contacting your local Chamber of Commerce. And there you go, you've just formed an LLC. You're now ready to embark on your entrepreneurial journey with the proper legal structure in place. This is a significant step towards protecting your personal assets, adding credibility to your business, and setting yourself up for future growth and success. So here's to you, future business owner. Let the adventure begin. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We embarked on this journey with a simple question: do I need an LLC to start an online business in the USA in 2024? And the answer, as we discovered, isn't a simple yes or no. It depends. We've learned that an LLC, or limited liability company, is a unique business structure that combines the flexibility of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. It's a popular choice for small business owners as it offers protection from personal liability in most instances. This structure means that if your company were to face a lawsuit or accrue debt, your personal assets like your home, car, or personal savings would typically be safe. That's a considerable advantage, isn't it? However, we also discussed that forming an LLC isn't always necessary for every online business. It depends on your specific situation. If you're a freelance graphic designer working with a few clients, you may not need an LLC, but if you're launching a full-scale e-commerce store with multiple employees, forming an LLC can offer you valuable protection and credibility. We then walked through the steps to form an LLC. It's not as daunting as it may seem at first glance. It involves choosing a unique name for your business, designating a registered agent, filing the Articles of Organization, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN, or Employer Identification Number. Remember, each state has its own rules and regulations regarding LLC formation, so it's essential to do your research or consult with a business attorney to make sure you're following the correct procedures. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey. Remember, the first step to starting a successful online business is understanding the legal environment. Make informed decisions and you're already on the path to success. Thanks for watching.